Creating a professional Facebook account requires careful attention to detail. Start by choosing a profile picture and cover photo that are relevant to your industry or profession. Avoid using personal photos or images that may be seen as unprofessional. Next, fill out your profile information completely and accurately. This includes your name, job title, employer, education, and any relevant certifications or licenses. Use professional language and avoid spelling or grammar mistakes. Be mindful of your privacy settings and ensure that your personal information is not visible to the public. Consider using a professional email address and avoid sharing sensitive information such as your phone number or address. Engage with other professionals and industry influencers through groups and pages related to your profession. Share and comment on relevant content to establish yourself as a thought leader in your field. Finally, consider creating and sharing original content such as articles or videos that showcase your expertise. This can help to build your online presence and attract potential clients or employers. By following these guidelines, you can create a professional Facebook account that reflects your expertise and enhances your online presence.